like being a chicken then?
It's really tough, you know. Laying is a lot of commitment. I mean, humans, they like choose when they have a baby, and they do it like once a year. I have to do it every day. Not an easy life.
You're quite a big hen, Dave. Can you fit in the coop?
Yeah, it's quite a squeeze though. Owner has to push me in quite hard. You can't get me in there, you just push me in the shed. It's comfortable in there anyway.
Why's that?
Well, I've got my own space, I can exercise, listen to my music. It's better actually.
What do the neighbours think of you then?
They do not like me.
Why not?
They disrespect me. And because of them, I've now got an ASBO. Says I have to be in at 7. I don't know why. I'm already asleep by then. Up at 8 in the morning. Everyone thinks people with ASBOs, they sleep all day and they do stuff at night, but it ain't true.
Why did you get an ASBO?
Call me a big chicken.
But you are a big chicken.
It's not the point. I wouldn't say anything like that about them pikeys.
You're very yellow for a chicken, aren't you?
Nah, blonde.
Blonde. Why blonde?
Like my hero, Nicki Minaj. Know all her songs? Sing like her too.